Yo, what's up? Thank you all for tuning in wherever and whenever you are watching this. Guys, I hope you're having an awesome week. Happy September, first day of September. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. We're going to do a little current market update. We're going to go over some current news, and we're going to see what's going on in the crypto space, guys. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you. Let's get this out of here, and boom. So I want to go ahead and hit decrypt. Last time I think we were on here, we didn't really hit too much news. I want to see what's happening, what's going on in the space. Anything like, major, like some BlackRock type stuff. I haven't actually had a chance to come on here in the past day or two. So I'm excited to kind of scroll through this with you guys. Celsius asked to return for some customer funds in court filing. Helium sinks 15%. Mount Gox. Oh my goodness. If you guys haven't heard about that, that's actually pretty dope. That's pretty crazy. Let's see. It was one of the it was a Bitcoin exchange from way back in the day that I believe it got shut down. I don't know if you guys know about Mt. Gox. It was from way back when, before my time in crypto, actually, before 2019 at least that I was aware of. We got Bitcoin mining firm Compass Mining has Georgia sites shuttered, citing high energy costs. No surprise. Bitcoin, Ethereum both dropped roughly 8%. Any Ethereum forks won't be supported, says NFT market OpenSea ahead of merge. So, meaning if there's any more wrapped Ethereums, you're not going to be supported on OpenSea. You already got wrapped Ethereum, you got Ethereum, and I don't think they want too many more. But speaking of Bitcoin drop and Ethereum dropping, I mean, we're not too surprised with the news that we just had recently that we went over, I believe last week or maybe even the week before with BlackRock and everything like that. So I'm super excited to kind of go through here and see what we got. So that was all news. Let's see what we got business wise. We got the Mt. Gox we just pulled up. The Bitcoin crypto lawyer Kyle pulls out lawsuits against Tether, Binance, and others. Bitcoin mining spikes, profitability drops for mining companies. No surprise there. MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor sued for tax fraud by DC Attorney General. Oh my goodness. Ukraine's national police exposes crypto cyber crime group targeting Europeans. Oh gosh, I don't know if you guys saw this. I didn't see that they were suing her. I saw that they accidentally just found it, so that they accidentally sent her 10 million instead of $100 refund, and like literally they just found out about it. The filing was saying pretty much that she had to sell the house and give them like all the give them all the remaining money. So I opened that up. We'll kind of read a little more into it, see what happened to old girl. I don't know how they can sue her, but you sent me the wrong shit. I'm gonna spend it. All right, let's see. Tron network energy use match. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Find Ethereum bug before the merge. You could earn $1 million. Yo, where's my guy Nelson? My dog loves doing this shit. I'm about to send this to him. I'm gonna copy that. Send it to myself. Unless I got, let's see. Yeah, definitely getting sent to myself. Oh, never mind. Here we go. See what he says. All right, privacy is normal. Yeah, no shit. People want their privacy. What happened to Bitcoin? Satoshi, new token funded film aims to find out more than 13 years after Bitcoin debuted. Question still lingers: who is Satoshi Nakamoto? This pseudo, I don't even know how to say that, pseudonym, pseudonymous, whatever, creator of the first and largest cryptocurrency. You know what's crazy is that's actually not the first. I'll have to pull it up next call because you guys are like, yo, yeah, it is Tyler, bro. What the fuck? There's this guy, he goes by Crypto Picasso. If you look him up, he actually proved it on a call. So crazy, but I'm not the one bearing the news. I'm just I'm relaying the message. So Tornado DAO grapples with the rest of as Discord governance. Wow. Crazy. Monero rollout and enhanced privacy features with hard fork. Shout out Monero. Good old NFT world. You can now get advice from Bored Ape NFT on Cameo. What is this? We'll have to check that out. What I'll do is I'll pull these up, and then after we do some technical analysis, we'll go over them. That way, it's not super boring with all this news. We can kind of bounce back in between them, have a little bit of fun here. But why Brazil's top esports team allowed sees massive opportunity in Web3? Yo, Web3, I mean, even crypto in general, blockchain in general, it's going to be how we do everything. It's not just like, yo, investment this, investment that, coin here, coin there, buy this, sell this. It's gonna be how we do everything. From products, from water. Shout out Clearwater. You guys are pretty dope. You guys are awesome. But for projects like that, to even, there's a ton of different ones here in Florida. You can pay for hurricane insurance in Bitcoin. There's, there you can go out to eat and pay in Bitcoin. There's so many different things you could do in paying crypto here. So especially in Florida, I mean, depending on where you're at, it might be a little slightly different, but it's gonna be how we do everything. You can buy a house. You could, you could literally make a contract in an NFT and use that NFT as a contract. So many different things, inside crypto in general. I mean, just all the blockchain technology, all the awesome things you can do. It's just mind boggling, honestly, especially if you're here in Florida. There's a lot of cool stuff. All right, Kevin Rose is blah blah blah. OpenSea adds Polygon support to expand features. Yo, what up? That's lit. Our restaurants VIP NFTs style Twitter. So, yo, Loki. I don't know if you guys use Twitter, but I just started using Twitter recently, and I love that. I'm a big fan of Twitter. All right, let's see. Coins. Here sinks 15%. Following proposed move to Solana. But yo, we out. Accused crypto queen henchman ordered extradited to the US. What is this? Uh-oh. Yo, people are all over you. I don't see like, I mean, I guess I do see some crazy crimes happening, but I see a lot of money crimes happening, especially here in the crypto side of things. This week's on crypto Twitter did as really regulators know how insolvent Celsius was, and did BitBoy really let, oh my gosh, it's a long title there. I don't even know how to say that. Atazi at the hook. Yeah, Mark Cuban on there. I don't even see his name in here. All right. FBI's new podcast, The Crypto Queen on the Run. Oh my gosh. My goodness. Let's see. I thought I just opened that. Yeah, there it is. We'll open this one too. I'm kind of curious. Speaking coins, Bitcoin at the yeah. No surprise. Coming soon. Cardano hard fork. We'll see. We'll actually open that up. Check it out. I don't know if we'll read the whole thing here, but miners, Ethereum Classic activities merge nears, token powering Ethereum staking platform light up finance tumbles. DeFi and gaming. We'll hop to some charts. 80 million Rary capital hack was the domino that led to DeFi project Babylon Finance's demise. Solana DeFi exchange accidentally bricks itself, locks up 661K forever. Yo, how do you do that? It's a bad issue right there. FBI issues warning over vulnerable DeFi platforms. Uh-oh. Let's see which ones are on that list. Uh, crypto lending platform Compound rolls out fresh upgrade for DeFi users. That's kind of dope. Let's see what that is. That's some good news for Compound. Dutch officials say 200 Cash's code could be criminal. Yeah, that's from a while ago. All right. Let's see. Matchbox gaming. Later, Ethereum NFTs. I don't know what that means. Buy now, pay later. How do you buy now and pay later? FTC sues Meta to stop Facebook parent from owning the entire metaverse. Yo, this is so like, I know this is from July 27th, but I saw this a while ago, obviously. I was so confused. Like, how are you gonna sue? Well, so Meta sued. So the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission, sues Meta to stop Facebook parent from owning the entire. How do you own? Can't you just own your own metaverse? Like, what stops you from making your own metaverse and owning the entire metaverse? Like, you gotta split it with them or what? The FTC wants part? I don't know. That was confusing when I seen it back then. I never read it because I was like, what the fuck? But anyway, let's check it out. So, let's see that 1.02 trill. Let's see. We'll do a refresh on here just in case. Ah, I refresh. Nope, it's still loading. We have 60 billion 24-hour trading volume. It's gonna randomly refresh out of nowhere, so don't be surprised when it does. All right, let's see. 1 hour. Oh, come on now. Get out of this. Oh, you're there. All right. Do we reload? Cool. Awesome. So let's check out 1 hours. We got, oh my gosh, Stepping Green Satoshi token on Solana. Wow. Okay. Uh, Decentral Games governance. They're yo, Decentral Games is lit. I actually have it literally written down right here on a card. Pretty dope gaming platform, but I don't know what that is. If that's real, if that's really part of them. Decentral Games. Where's it at? It's DG. Maybe that is Decentral Games. Let's check it out. I haven't checked it out in a while. Oh, yo, low key, I'm pretty sure I played poker. Yep, poker in the in here before. Okay, dope. 19.7 revenue last month, 1 million. That's actually pretty decent. Um, Wallets holding, it's a lot. Monthly metaverse, decent. Who they partnered with? Backed by Decentraland, Binance, Polygon, Get Wearable, Play Free Poker. Oh, nice. So is that? Let's see. Yeah, I pull up a metaverse website and my shit starts breathing heavy. It's like over here. I don't know, you guys probably hear it on the call. Is that ice? Yeah, it's ice. Yeah, see? What is that? All right, we'll check it out. Explore their assets overview. See exactly how much they got of each. So, all right, but yeah, Decentral Games is pretty dope. I mean, I definitely played on here before. Obviously, you can use MetaMask, go back to the home. Let's see if we can play. I think we probably gotta connect. Place, Poker Flex. Ah, okay, okay. That's what's up. All right, let's get out of there. I just saw that, so it kind of reminded me of it. But anyway, back to what we were doing. Where did those coins come from? What page were we on? The last one? What the hell? I think we were. Just realized we were in the 600s. All right, but anyway, hour wise, nothing too crazy. Um, Celsius Network doing some crazy shit as usual. I have no interest in, doing anything with that. Chain link up for Polygon, decent. We got DeFi chain, Tezos, Tor Bezos, Uniswap, Cardano. You should reach out. There might be Cardano fork. Pretty much same tokens up here. Litecoin. All right, cool. All right, so we'll go ahead and do some technical analysis. We'll start with the total market cap. Again, the last call we did, I went over a little bit why I like to do this. So if you're curious why, I go over it a little bit more in the last video. Today, we're just going to kind of go over it and do some technical analysis. So personally, I think the market could continue down. I know we marked it up last time. We're going to actually just do it again really quick. So we're going to remove all 15. We're going to start from scratch, what I normally do. So right on this bottom, boom, we're a little off there, but I'm going to do that one. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right, so we got our last level support on a weekly. So we're gonna mark it. But I'm gonna put 78.6 so we know what level it is. All right, because that is where some buying pressure is going to be sitting. That and actually we'll put the other one too. We'll do the 88.6. Now I'm going to delete this because I don't want to look at it. Dope. Now we're gonna go to a smaller time frame. Now, again, guys, pretty much what I just did in the upward direction, we're gonna do in the downward direction. Okay, so let me go like this. We're gonna do it on a smaller time frame, not too much, but just on the daytime. Let's see, from there to here to the low. Now, if I was expecting this to come back down, what I would want to see is a retracement to this level. Now, why is that? Because that's normally what happens when you use these fibs. I go over it again in the last video a little bit more, but what we're going to do, we're not going to really mark it too much. We're just going to put it right here. That's a big zone. We're gonna narrow it down a little bit, but we're going to mark this up here too. So we're going to put weekly. Oh, sorry, daily. What's that? 70.6. And then we're gonna mark the other one, same thing, but obviously 88.6. So daily. And really, we're just identifying levels. So here we have buying pressure, here we have selling pressure, right? And we can continue to do this down, and narrow it down on a smaller time frame. But what I also like to do is identify some major levels. So what we're gonna do too is we're gonna identify some major levels here. So really, all I'm doing is this. So check it out with the bottom of the candle right there, and I'm actually gonna change this to black so we don't get confused with the other ones. And you know what? Well, we're gonna do daily, right? So we know it's a daily level. And actually, I want to mark this. We'll do that one, and then one more. Because I don't want to have too many lines all over and get confused on what we're looking at, right? We're trying to make it stupid simple. But so if we're expecting it to continue down, we need to see it retrace up. But with some things that happened in the market recently, we are expecting them to potentially go down. Now, also, what happened was we broke our little trend that we had. So like this. So on a smaller time frame, right, on a 4-hour time frame, it's back. We had a nice little uptrend here. So let's mark it out. Boom. And then we broke through. So we broke through the trend, right? So it was invalidated. Now, I potentially think we are going to come somewhere in between this level. I think if we come to this, this level as a market cap. I mean, guys, right over here, we've seen we're at $1 trillion market cap. You can see it right here, current price, slightly under is what, according to TradingView versus CoinGecko. This is, I don't know where this is from CryptoCap. So we're slightly off, we're slightly under $1 trillion, but regardless, guys, I mean, I don't think if it comes to this level, market cap wise, right, 728 billion, I don't think we're going to see it again, because even here you can see what happened is we wicked down, right? It literally wicked down, boom, came right back up. And now we've really been above, see this daily level, what we marked out. It's been staying above that daily level and it hasn't broken below. Now, if we zoom back out, go to a daily, let's see over here if we have any imbalances that weren't filled. So one right here was pretty much there. What actually you can kind of see. So originally, right, we broke through this and we never kind of came back and retouched it all the way up until over here. You kind of see we came back almost to that level exactly, literally wicked down and touched it. Now, what's up, bro? I don't know if you can hear me yet, but we literally came back to that level and exactly wicked it. What's up, bro? But same thing I think is going to happen here. I mean, we don't really have that level over here. I mean, I guess you could say it's right here, but realistically, guys, I mean, if we're going to come down here, I think we're going to come in the zone right here, right? But in order for us to do that, I want to see a break of a different level first. Now that we're here, I can kind of see it. Let's zoom in a little more. Let's go to the 4-hour. Right, boom. We're actually going to put just this level really. The zone. I'd like to see us to break through here to see more momentum down. Up until then, we're just playing at the zone here as far as total market cap goes. Now, when it comes to, when it comes to the rest of the market, we're really just using this to create a story, right? So right now we have some support here, right? So we're kind of chilling here, but if it breaks down, meaning we lose some money in the market cap, some market cap liquidity, right? Let's check it out without Bitcoin and Ethereum. So now without it, we're sitting at about 383 billion. Now you can see here 303. Okay, so decent amount is just in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we can kind of see we have this story built, right? So we're kind of chilling here. I think potentially we might come down here. And if so, if that means we're going to come down here, nah, you're good, bro. You're good. We're recording, but you know, we're here to have fun, number one, and number two, to make some fucking money, my man. So hopefully YouTube doesn't ban me for swearing when I upload this. This is the most I've ever sweared in like one of these. Anyway, sad fact. So we created this story with the total market cap, right? We can keep going down in smaller time frames and play the smaller game, but I'm here for the long term. I'm not really interested in the small game at the moment, because if I show you this and you know how to do it, you can take it on a smaller time frame and do whatever you want with it. So now that we have that, okay, so I showed you the total, right? With every coin, including every coin. Now this is without Ethereum and Bitcoin, meaning the next largest coins are going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we need to see where money's flowing with these things. So actually, I want to go like this too. So crypto, yep, haven't been here in a while. So check it out. This shows, I'll steal my fingerprint. This shows money leaving the exchange in Bitcoin and also the price. So the reason I'm bringing this up, yeah, we'll accept all your cookies, do whatever you want, steal my data. The reason I like this is because when the purple line is money or Bitcoin leaving the exchange, and the black line is the price of Bitcoin. When you see drops, so really when in the exchange, right? So when money is leaving the exchange, it means people are holding, most likely, right? It's leaving the exchange, going to a wallet, or they're doing something else with it, but it's leaving the exchange, most likely being locked up. Now they go and lock it up, and what happens to price? Boom, money leaving the exchange, money leaving the exchange, money leaving the exchange, boom, boom, boom. All that money left the exchange, and then boom, what happens, right? Now we're playing along, playing along. People are like, take profit, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. So they're all up in the market, because look, they're profit, 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 right? If you're holding from back down here. So I like to pull this up because you can kind of almost, again, tell a story or read a story, right? We're kind of just reading what's happening or what has happened with these charts. We're identifying patterns to utilize. So again, right, we have crypto leaving the exchange, leaving the exchange, leaving the exchange, boom, go up, right? And then we have a drop. People are, okay, yeah, we need to take some profit, my guy. Price drops, right? So guess what? Crypto is coming back to the exchange, because guess what? They need to take profit. Guess what's happening to the price? Because people are what? Taking profit, taking profit. Oh my God, guess what? We're buying, selling, accumulate, 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 accumulate. Crypto going on the exchange. Guess what? Going to the wallet. Boom, 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 boom. And you can kind of see that the whole way down. So guys, again, we've been in a steady downtrend of just crypto, of not crypto, but Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin's majority of the market cap, it means, you know, it controls a lot. It doesn't control a lot, but it kind of shows what's happening with the rest of the coins, right? If there's a lot of money in Bitcoin, there's most likely more money in the altcoins. People are flowing money through the other coins. So you can see, again, we're leaving the exchange, but what happens with price? Price is actually following at this time. You don't really see that a lot. Leaving the exchange, leaving the exchange, leaving the exchange, leaving the exchange. People are getting scared. They don't know what to do, right? They're getting scared. Oh my God, leaving the exchange, because guess what? People are buying it. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. And they're accumulating, they're holding, because if it comes back down to 15K, you're going to see this chart go like drop, the purple one. Now, same thing with Ethereum. You can see the same thing over here, right? We got Ethereum going to the exchanges. Okay, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And boom, we're leaving the exchange, leaving the exchange, leaving the exchange, leaving the exchange. Okay, some people are taking some profits. Coming back to the exchange, right? Guess what? We're back in it, boys. And then guess what? We're taking profits again. Oh my God, oh my God. And guess what? We're back in it, boys. And again, you can kind of read a story here, what's happening with this. So I like this website. It's called Crypto Quant. If you want to add stuff on here, let me show you really quick. Come on here. You're literally gonna like this. You're gonna go like that. Yep. Exchange reserve, Bitcoin, exchange reserve, boom. You just have to go in there. I think you have to type it in. Maybe you don't. Then you click add, and then boom, it shows up. Awesome. Exit, Next. So let's check it out. So now we have Bitcoin, right? So I showed you these. We created this little story. We've been creating this storyline. What's happening inside the crypto space? We're reading, we're reading and reacting, not gambling and guessing, or guessing and gambling. I said that backwards. We don't want to guess and gamble. Not a lot of fun. Promise. But again, so we have this marked down, right? So if normally what happens is it will come up to here, right? Price comes up to here on a retracement long term. Guess what? We're looking for price to go up. But with the news with the BlackRock potentially, partnering, well, they partner with Coinbase, but who knows, that whale bought 3 billion worth of Bitcoin OTC, meaning it didn't affect the market, but when they dump it onto the exchange, guess what happens? It affects the price, meaning it will drop. Now, is that going to happen all at once? I don't know. This is just something, we're creating a story, something that could potentially happen. You drop 3 billion, that's quite a bit. So you could potentially move price and scare more people to where they're like, yo, I'm out. And who knows? Maybe this is part of it. Boom, big money move, right? Dropped. And again, we broke our trend. Same thing with the total market cap. It's going to kind of tend to look like Bitcoin because Bitcoin and Ethereum are majority of the market cap. All right. Dang, we're on out of time that fast. Oh my goodness. I need to get Nelson's endless link. All right. But let's see. Can't believe it's 10 already. Oh, okay. We started at 9:30. We're good. But so potentially again, now, so what I did is I marked these up, right? So on this chart, you can see we have that big level marked up, right? This one's up, down, right? We have one marked up, one marked down, but we still have the lines here, right? 78.6 and 88.6 from this level right here. Same lines, just still looks a little slightly different. So what I'm thinking, so we have this weekly level, another weekly level, right? We trap price in between these two major weekly levels, right? Haven't broken above it, haven't broke below it. But we have this last level support on a daily time frame, on a huge time frame, even on a weekly time frame, it's still there. So this is a last level support. So we're coming down here. I honestly think so. Here's what I think. So again, we come to this level, we test this, right? We drop, we break through, but we never test it again, right? So we have this, this gap right here in the market. So buyers, right? Boom, hit sell. And then from there, it's all been buys. Nobody sold, right? And then bought again. It was buy. And then, okay, sell off. Buy, sell off. So now guess what? We're coming back down to fill this gap, which is right here. And guess where we're at? This exact level, which also happens to be this weekly level. I actually marked it from here. And guess what? Oh my God, crazy. It's over here too. Works all the time, guys. And all we're doing is identifying markets or patterns inside the market. So guess what? Here's that high, right? We broke through, never retested it. And guess what? Now we're retesting it on a huge time frame. We always will have retracements in the market. If you watched it from up here, you're like, oh my God, Bitcoin's in a recession. If you entered literally from anywhere around here, you're like, oh my God, we're just in a retracement. Guess what? You break through a level, right? Guess what? You broke through this 61.8. Look, broke through. Guess what we did? We retested every time. We break through, retest. It happens every time in the market. Especially, and if it doesn't happen instantly, right? It broke through. We didn't really get that major retest. We just kind of broke through. Guess what? Long term, we got that retest. So I think potentially if the total market cap goes down more, right? If we see more money leave the crypto space, we could see this come down and potentially hit that 17K on Bitcoin. Or I don't think we're coming this far down, but honestly, maybe even this level right here. I'll mark this one out. We put this is just my opinion, guys. I mean, I could be completely wrong. This is just based on my experience of trading. So, we could potentially see it come down, and maybe even we see that 16K. And I don't know. I mean, I don't know the exact level. All we can do is read and react to the market. You have to watch and then react, right? We created the story. We're reading the story. Now we're waiting. That we have the story. Let's see what happens with this story. Right? We created the whole story. We're just waiting for the punchline to boom, enter. So especially exchange wise, I mean, leverage wise, you can play along on this on an hour time frame. You can get in and out, buy, sell, buy and sell if you want. I'm just kidding, but none of this is financial advice. This is just all for education and information to take your trading and investing to the next level. That's really what we're here for, to just provide value and help help you take things next level. So I know we only really got over Bitcoin. There's 6 minutes left. Garrison, I think you're the only one here at the moment. Do you have any questions, bro, or do you want to go over any specific charts? Feel free to unmute yourself, bro. If you want.
Yeah, I was looking at Solana earlier. I'm not by my computer right now, but I think it look let's see, we'll see.
All right, we'll mark her out. So I'm gonna delete all this, but this is from what I had before. I mean, we're kind of just sitting in the zone, really. From if we trap price again, and even you can see we had a nice little uptrend, 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 boom, broke through. But we can see again if we go back to the total market cap, you can see, guess what? We uptrend, 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 boom, broke through. So to see this breakthrough, guess what? It's not surprising to see Solana, guess what? Boom, drop through. So what I'm going to do is remove all these and we're going to start from scratch, right? So we're going to go to the weekly or monthly, depending on the chart, right? If you're looking at something like this, you might want to go down to the weekly. Now, Solana isn't the most sexy chart, especially when it comes to putting fibs on a long time frame. Now, depending on, how back or how far back you got on here. I don't know if this is from the beginning or not. So what we could do is we normally identify the last level support. But as you can see, we broke through it, bro. What do we do now? Well, guess what? We broke through, retested it, it's going to the floor. No, I'm just kidding. But it's a little bit different when you have a situation like this. And for people who haven't been trading for a long time or don't have much experience in the market, it's like, bro, I don't know what to do. It's just been fucking downtrend. This shit looks like Doge, especially when you look like it literally does, or Shiba, like literally. So you're like, bro, what the hell? I personally I like Solana, I really do. But in order to break it down to a readable stance, we need to actually just go to smaller time frames, and then we can kind of create a story from these smaller time frames. So what I'm going to do, um, we're going to start from here. Actually, so we're gonna do it the opposite way. We're gonna start from going down. Well, not really the opposite way, but we're gonna start just putting some fibs on it like usual. We're gonna do the same thing we normally do. We're just starting going down first. So we're gonna change this to red. So I like to do that. This is a daily 78.6. Nope, 88.6. Boom. AKA our last levels of support. Daily 88.6. And then boom, we're going to delete that because I don't want to have all the craziness on the chart. And then what we're going to do is we're going to identify some levels, some major levels. So we're going to do boom, daily here, and then we're going to change it to black right away so we don't get confused. Black, boom, daily. And these are just some supports. This is just basic stuff, support, resistance. All I'm doing is trapping price at the moment. And then we're going to do the same thing here. So let's see. So daily. Goodness. My cat decided to jump on my lap, so she's going look crazy right now, biting my strings. And then we'll put one down here at the bottom too, because as of right now, that's our bottom, like bottom. So pretty much what we've done again is we trap price in the zone. Now let's get a little bit better look at this. So we're gonna break it down. So look, we had a trend here. We only got 2 minutes left, so we're gonna break this down a little bit quick, but we're gonna definitely break it down. So we had a trend, right? Uptrend, broke through, and now we're coming back down to this level. Now, realistically, from looking at it like this, because we don't have much history on this chart, I don't know if it's from Coinbase, maybe like Binance or something has a better look on it. Let me double check just to be sure. Goodness, not Solana. We'll do Binance and see. Because this might give us a better look, and if it does, then we might be in luck here. So, boom, sweet. That's what we're looking for. So what we're gonna do is get rid of old Solana, and now we have a better look at this, honestly. So let me do this really fast. I'm just gonna like this. Way. All right. Oh gosh. We're gonna use this. No, we're not. We're gonna use the major bottom here. And then we're gonna use these last levels of support. Right? So really we're at the last one, bro. You can kind of see where we're at on a monthly time frame. Now, if we go down to, I'm not going to mark it up because there's not that much time left. I'm just going to kind of explain it. But you can see right now we're in between these two zones. The two last level supports, 78.6, 88.6. These are the last level supports. Really, we're just playing in between here. We haven't broke below there for a good reason. Honestly, I don't know if we will. If we do, we might come down and maybe touch, maybe this low right here. Maybe around this level. Right? Maybe around that $12.27, it looks like. But realistically, I mean, I'm not afraid if it does. So what you have to do, or what we have to do, is see what happens here at this level, read and react. As long as it respects this level, and you got to keep in mind the long-term stories we had with the total market cap Bitcoin. If it's going down, we think it's going to go down more. Solana might go down more, and if it does, we could potentially see it come to that $12. So you want to watch and see what happens here before you make any move. But we're about to cut out, so appreciate you, bro. Thanks for asking the question and hopping on here. Thanks, man. Yeah, dude, it definitely does. Peace, man.